As Ukrainians continue to flee the war, a doctor from Burlington is one of the people ensuring they get the help they need. McMillan is working with the Red Cross in Hungary, helping coordinate medical help for mostly women, children, and elderly escaping the fighting. Ingram spoke with him today and has this report.
It's difficult to see. They're women, their children, and their elderly. They are exhausted. The children in particular are confused, and they just look traumatized, psychologically traumatized.
Dr. Ron McMillan has deployed to disaster zones around the world with the Red Cross for years, but the war in Europe is different.
In the case of Ukraine, they're fleeing their homeland, entering a different country.
Often arriving with no real plan and just the clothes on their back or a few possessions. McMillan, who is from Burlington, sees them arrive in Hungary, where he is helping them get any medical care they may need.
Some of them require significant health care.
He's part of the Rapid Response Surge Health Team, covering Ukrainians arriving in Hungary and Slovakia.
To ensure that the Hungarian Red Cross and the Slovak Red Cross have all of the necessary equipment, medical staff that they need to provide the healthcare services.
What's the resource situation like? Are there plenty of resources, or are you feeling like more is needed?
So we're assessing. There is a need for additional assistance, and we're addressing those needs with international medical staff, medical supplies and equipment, and expertise.
McMillan says about 200 people a day are arriving at just one of the crossings, the train station in Zahony, Hungary. Hungarian Red Cross workers welcome them and offer whatever support they need.
They're offered shelter support, accommodation, and in terms of health, should they have any health needs that are identified, they're promptly taken to the health facility, the Hungarian Red Cross Health Post, and assessed by medical staff there.
He says many quickly move on to other countries further west, but however brief his interactions with them are, they are leaving an impression.
As a father, I have 3 daughters myself, and it's always very difficult to not have a personal association or personal feelings.
McMillan says more than 500,000 people have escaped to Hungary and Slovakia since the war began. Ingram, CHCH News.